Hello guys, today we're gonna be playing Need More Aura in Roblox. So in this game, I have 0 aura at the start and gain more aura as I progress. I think that's how it works. Okay. Hello, Unc. Can't get aura. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. Talk to my sister. What you call a fake noodle? An impasta. That's cringe. Kinda cringe. Wow. It's kinda weird, it's my sister. Fans? Okay. I only have one aura. So one fan equals one aura. Okay. Talk to mom. Do you know why cows wear bells? It's because their horns don't work. What? I do not get that joke. And I never heard anyone say that joke. Yeah, you're right. I have 2 fans. Wow. Maid. You have a maid. Hello. Book fell on my head. I have only my shelf to blame. Bro. What kind of joke was that? Okay, never mind. Really, Tree? The mailman? Bro, why do I keep pressing in? I'm talking to the mailman? Hello? Order that chicken and an egg online. I'll let you know which one comes first. That's not aura. Oh well, I guess that is aura. Okay, easiest so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need more aura. I'm talking to the milkman. Who's that? Oh. Bro needs some milk. What you call a well-balanced horse? A stable? What do you mean, Sigma? Okay. I guess I am Sigma now. Actually, this is the most brain rat game I have played so far. Another easy one? Okay. 5, only 5. I need more aura. Talk to the farm sign. What you call an angry carrot? A steamed veggie? I get it, okay. Bro, even the sign? That's crazy. Okay. Only 6? Bruh. A car? A car. But has 4 wheels and flies. A garbage truck? Okay. Yeah, that is a very bad line. Bro, how did I turn my car into a living thing? Also the sign. Seven fans. Online? Wait, this is what I'm doing. But I'm filming on another device. Record my dance moves. Bro, I didn't even dance. Oh well. Stop live streaming. Waiting outside. Yo! Hello, fans. Nice. I got so many fans. How many is that? Well, let's count. Do not underestimate. Yeah. But yeah, how did they find our house? Sus. Okay. $28. Nice. I think I need to get 100 aura or 100 fans. Oh, I'm talking to the biggest tree. Hello, tree. A palm tree? A palm tree? Bruh. For 40 years. I can't skip this, okay. We only have 29 fans. Need more aura. A billboard? Because it overswept? That is not funny. Okay, oh well. +2 aura. Nice. Well, why is that one guy not even walking? Oh wait, no. Here. What's wrong with me? You told me to get tomorrow, bro. I got 30 fans. Yeah, I know it. That was legal. Oh wait. The transmission tower? I think this is more illegal. Why can't a nose be 12 inches long? Because then it would be a foot. What kind of Morse code is that? This one. How can I speak Morse code? What? What happened? Oh no. Got prison. Jailed ending? Bruh. Let's restart. And let's pick the other two. Need more aura. Let's speed run to the billboard. Let's speed run. Let's see all three choices. Hello, Unc. It's already afternoon. Oh wait. About to get my aura up. Let's speedrun this part. Only have one. Oh well. Let's find some real aura. What's that even great sense of character? Where's the hair dryer? Where's the what the? Only three. What is this? Oh, a baby, okay. Wait, what's this guy? Who is this guy? Oh well. It's not aura. It's definitely not aura. Need more aura. Need more fans. Follow well-balanced horse. A stable. Are there different endings? Talk to the farm sign. Bruh. I have 0 Robux, bro. I have a question. How did I even get the sign? The power of my aura. My aura is magnetic, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna live stream again. Nice. Wow. I have so many fans. 21. Plus 21 aura. Oh, look how many fans I have. Yeah, don't underestimate me. Hmm. 25, 28. Okay. Let's go to the biggest tree. I've just been here for 40 years. Yo, tree. A palm tree. Again. Then let's pull the billboard next. I know. So 29. But can I talk to this guy? Oh well. That is not funny, bro. Oh well. Let's go. No. Bruh. Please don't call the police. So, transmission tower. I pick here the middle one or the left one. This one. I'm speaking Morse code, bro. I'm speaking enchanting table. Wow, what ending is this? Wow. Wow. I got a transmission tower. I don't know. 31. Nice. This will be easy. Oh my god, I turned off my mic. Wait, I can rumor about the butter because I'm not gonna be spreading it. Ask my partner. Lost control, abort mission. What do you? Oh no, no. Where is the president? Is this guy the president? So where's the president? Oh, wait. Yo, is that the Doge? It's raining tacos. W ringtone. I've hijacked your helicopter. Okay, where is it? Oh, nice. Oh my god. Sure. How did the barber win the race? He knew a short. What? No way. Bruh. Why does my screen rotate? Wow. I am the new president. +9 plus infinite aura, bro. Yo, I'm the president now. Bow down. Yes, my aura is infinite. $33. Wow, good ending. Well, if you guys enjoyed that, like, subscribe, and hit the notification buttons. Share to your friends, and see you in the next video.